Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you something about the data visualization, and it helps you to create charts with customized branding color. So for example, what I'm showing here is a sample data set and the chart, the bar chart that it creates. So it's pretty straightforward. It comes with the the color that comes with Excel. And of course, you can change it to some other different color tones as you like. But like sometimes, especially if you're working for some clients or organization, you really want to make it look more professional by applying the custom color of that organization. So for example, I have Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest here. And like instead of those blue bars, I actually really want to show them with their custom color. And I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So to start with, let's copy this chart to a new place so we can start fresh. What you really need to find out to do this is actually just find out the color code for each of those custom colors. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, so the first thing you do is actually try to go to their websites or just Google their logo to make sure that you have the right brand logo or like the right color. Maybe just go to the front page or what. Let's start with Twitter. So we know this is a Twitter color, and then let's find out what the color code is. To do that, you go to the logo or the picture that has the brand, and then right click and go to inspect. Just know that I'm using Google Chrome for this action. I don't know if it works in other browser, but I think most of the people use Chrome nowadays anyway. So after you go inspect, it's going to show you something like this, and there's actually going to be a highlighted area, and then this is basically the codes that the website uses for this logo. So you can just look in this area to see if there's any reference to the color. So in this specific case, the color is in this code, the RGB 64188 224. So let me write that down here for myself. RGB 64288 188 actually 188 and 224. So this is a Twitter color. So let's so I'll show you how to use that. And then now let's go for Pinterest. So again, you see the logo here, you go right click, inspect, and then it's going to give you a highlighted area, which is the code for this logo, and just look for something that's referring to the color. So in this case, it's not that RBG one, but then it's actually this one. This is also the reference for the color. So let me record that down as well. It's # E60023. Okay, so that's the Pinterest one. And then let's go do the same thing for LinkedIn. So you go to the logo, go inspect, and then it gives you this line here. So you might have to look up and down. Like each website is a little bit different. So this one actually, I was looking up and down and I couldn't find a reference to the logo, but I know that this logo itself is called this Navy logo. So actually I found that here there's a link to this Navy logo link, and then when I go down, it gives me the reference, the color, and then it gives me the number for it. So looking at all those colors that it has here, I believe the branding color is this one, the number 0073B1, and I just copy that and then paste it here. So now we have the codes, and then the next step I need to do is translate those two into the RBG format. So to do that, you just copy the code, go to Google, and Google's going to give you the reference for that color, which is here, and then you just copy it, and then you do the same thing for the Pinterest. and then it gives you that reference. Okay, so now you have the code, the RGB code, and then now let's go change the color for our chart. So the first one is Twitter. So let's go fill, and then go to more fill color, go custom, and then it's Twitter. So let's fulfill it as 64, 188, 224. And here we go. So that's the Twitter color. And then you have that standing perfect here. And then the next one is LinkedIn. So do the same thing, custom. It's 230, 035. Oh, did I do it wrong? Okay. Oh, I think, yeah, sorry, I think I switched it. Like it should be, this one should be for the Pinterest. So for LinkedIn, it's 115, 177. Yeah, so that gives us the LinkedIn color, which is perfect here. And then the last one is Pinterest, which is the red. And then the red is 230, 035, and then go okay. And then you have the Pinterest color there. Okay, so it doesn't really look particularly nice in this chart, but like I'm just giving a purpose, an example of like really how you can get exactly the same branding color that your organization has, and you don't have to use all of them. Like you can use one, and then maybe use the like the color of the same tones in your chart, and then that would actually make it look nicer. And then once you have the colors in your chart, whenever you go, like let's say if you have some other data that you want to change to, you can see all those three colors are already saved in the recent color here, so you don't have to go back to the code again. You can just select them from the recent color, which is pretty handy. Yeah, okay, so that is everything that I want to share with you today, and I hope that you find it helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you like it. If you have any question, please leave me a comment, and I will talk to you very soon.